Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Say good morning there. Oh, say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. No. Ano? Nagpikit. Nire-ready natin si Ate Paris for her school. Binibigyan ko lang siya ng kanyang vitamins now and we're going to leave kasi malilate kami. And oh, remember pinakita ko sa inyo last time, guys. Binilhan ko sila ng tiki-tiki kasi gusto kong i-try ba sa kanila.
Hi, guys.
And then, hi guys, say hello.
Hello. I'm just trying this pink.
Yeah.
Just like this pink shirt.
Oh, well done, sweetheart. Hindi naman nila tinitake kasi pinag-iisipan nila ng masama. Akala nila na medicine siya. Kaya hindi nila tinitake. So, patuloy pa rin yung pagbigay ko kay Ate Paris nung ano niya ito. Ito yung gamit namin for Ate Paris. So, it's vitamin C plus zinc, immune defense. Ayan. Unfortunately, hindi pa magagamit ni Celine kasi mag-start ng 2. So, ang ating Celine ay hindi pa 2. Magto-2 siya ngayong August. So, it looks like this. Oh, parang dami siya ba? So, parang ano lang candy. I love you. You love me. Yeah. Ate, come here. Hi. Hello, what are you doing? Taka, we're going to school. We're going to school now. We can. Look. See? Hi, guys. Naglalaro ng asin. Ay. Oh. Kayo, balance. Yan lang asin. Malaki na talaga ang ating Ate Paris, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Gusto niya siya nang maglagay ng kanyang seatbelt. Are you okay?
I can't actually do this by myself.
Kahapon siya na yung nag-ano ng seatbelt niya. Nini!
Finish.
Done? Did you hear the click? Oh!
Hi, sorry.
Oops! Oopsie!
This one's good.
Okay.
Just this one a little bit.
Nini girl! Hindi masyadong maganda ang mood ni Baby Lining ngayon, oh. Masaya naman yan siya kanina sa taas. Maaga kasi gumising. Ling! Shiling! Ate! I think Mama has to help you now, nak.
No, I can't. I can do it.
We're at school now, guys. You have a good day, okay?
I can just walk in there by myself.
Sus, grabe talaga to siya ka-independent. Kaysa niyang
I can
lumakad
do
sa
that
loob
by
ng isa.
myself, actually. I can open the door.
Yeah, I know you can, but Mama and Celine will walk you in, okay?
Why?
Shush!
I want to go by myself in there.
You'll get there, honey. Okay? Where's your bag? Oh no, Nini! Nini! Alam niyo ba, guys, naghahawak kamayan sila papunta dito. Sabi natin Paris, I love Celine's hand.
I like Selena's precious hair.
Come on na, let's go.
My darling.
Takbo na ang light. Sige na, baba. Love you. You have a good day, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Celine, go. Celine, what do you want to do?
Me.
Hmm? What do you want to do? What do you want Mama to do? Oh, what do you want Mama to do? You tell Mama. Nagsasalita yan siya kanina eh. Ayaw niya nang sabihin ngayon. What are you trying to do? Hmm? Ay, ang ulitan ng bata. What do you want to do? You tell Mama. You tell Mama. What do you want to do?
A few moments later.
Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa kanyang school. And now we are heading to the library kasi merong story time si Baby Celine. gusto niyang maging independent. Naku, nakakaloka guys. Gusto niyang maglakad papunta ng kanyang classroom mag-isa. Pero from the gate lang naman papunta ng kanyang classroom. Sabi niya pwede naman daw na lang siya maglakad kasi she can do it na daw. Sabi ko, I know you can do it, but darating din tayo sa puntong yan. Huwag kang magmadali. Mama and Celine will walk you there. Kasi even though malapit lang yan guys ha, kasi gate lang papunta ng classroom, wala naman safe naman dito. But then meron pa rin akong guys, trust issues mga ganyan ba, kasi especially yung social media, yung mga nakikita mo sa Facebook, yung mga nakikita mo sa mga balita-balita, ganun, nakakatakot ba. The other day nanood ako ng hindi, nakita ko yung video sa Facebook na binalita ba na yung 4-year-old na batang babae may basta yung kaibigan lang ng tatay niya yung nag-kidnap sa kanya, tapos yung ginawa ng hindi maganda ba, inano talaga siya sa tawag dito, ginahasa ba. Can you imagine that? Like, it's seriously, I don't even want to talk about it kasi parang nagkakaroon ako ng mga goosebumps ba just thinking about it, kasi I can't, oh my god, I can't believe, like, how people do that. Like, it's demonic na talaga guys, parang demonyo na talaga ang mga gawa ng mga ganyan. And that's why very ako pagdating sa mga ganyan, hindi ko talaga tinatrust ba kahit sino pa yan. Hindi ko tinatrust ng anak ko kasi you'll never know, may mga ngayon, mga masasamang loob ba. Mahirap na. Hindi, isa lang yung buhay guys, mahirap na, hindi na maibabalik. Sobrang umiyak talaga ako guys. Hindi ko nga tinapos yung video kasi parang hindi ko talaga kaya ba. Tapos parang pinakita nila yung pagsasadula, kung paano ginawa, ito ganyan. Yung kaibigan ng tatay niya, binibigyan siya ng pera, ganun, like 4 years old. Can you imagine? Like, wala pa yung his parents just turned 5, right? Ganyan pa na pag-iisip. Tapos yun yung ginawa. Oh my god. Kaya minsan ayoko nang yung mag-scroll sa Facebook, yung mga mga ganyan, mga balita-balita, kasi nakaka-apekto sa araw ko. Pag nanonood ako ng mga ganyan, may mga masasamang nangyari. Like the other day naman, yung batang lalaki na 2 taon na may nakakita na may kumuha, tapos yun, pag nakita, nasa ilog na, patay na. Alam niyo yung gano'n? Minsan napapatanong ka na lang, ano bang nangyayari sa mundo eh?
A few moments later.
We're at the cafe now guys. Celine is having her baby chino. Mas nauna yung sa kanya sa kanyang baby chino guys, nilalagyan nila ng marshmallow, pero ako yung kumakain. Dami? Dami ah?
Let's put this right here.
Thank you.
That's the color.
Have scrambled egg on toast. First na nanginig. Thank you.
Welcome.
We have Mama's hot chocolate. Good appetit guys. Kain muna kami before kami punta ng library. Yes? Careful because it's hot. Is it hot? Hot? Mama blow. Okay, Mama blow. It's a bit hot na. Blow first na. Hot tea. Yummy.
Crack butter.
Yes.
Crack butter.
Hang on. I'll just... She loves egg. Very opposite kay Ate Paris noon. Ate Paris wanted egg when she was a baby. Langaw pa more. So big. Nag-ready din kasi ito siya guys nung umalis kami. Kaya busog ko siguro yan siya. Yan, may bread. Oh. Sourdough din to siya. Very tigas. Yung story time niya ay for 30 minutes. So, pupunta kami ng library every Tuesday and Friday. Pag Tuesday, mas na-enjoy siya kasi rhyme time. Yung bang kumakanta, sumasayaw. Pag Friday, mostly story time siya. Nabuboard siya. Nabuboard siya kapag Friday. Tapos, ano lang siya, na-enjoy siya pag ano na, drawing. Kasi may drawing din after sa story time. But it's very good for her social life, di ba na? Because she's more confident now, hindi na siya natatakot na parang makipaglaro sa ibang mga bata, very confident na siya. Yung mga labas-labas namin ganyan. Knock. Where is the duck? Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Find the duck. That's Apple. That's Apple. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? What are you doing? Nandito kami sa loob ng library. Hey, hindi pa kasi nag-open yung sa baba. Yung kasi story time, tsaka yung drawing sa baba. And I open at 10 and it's still 9:45, I guess. So dito muna kami nag-babysitting. Do you wanna read this book lang? Billy and the Blue Bike. Wow. Wow. Billy and the Blue Bike. Next. Mom, can I have that bike? No. Gee, it's $100 bike. See? Billy, I've got to buy clothes for your baby brother, medicine for grandma, and food for the family. There's no money left over for a bike. Oh no. Oh no, Billy. Listen to Mama, okay? Uncle Jack, will you buy me a bike? I won't buy it for you, Billy, but I'll help you buy it for yourself. You can save up for the bike like I saved up for my truck. Listening? Are you listening? If you help me do some gardening, I'll pay you $10 every week. Come here. In 10 weeks, you'll have enough money for the bike.
10 weeks? That's ages. There must be a quicker way to get the bike. I'm going to get people to pay me to wash the cars. How am I going to wash all these cars? I know, I'll ask my cousins.
Mama.
Yes? If you help me wash the cars, I'll pay you $10 each.
Papa.
We worked all day, but we did it. Only, oops, I got $10 for each car. We washed 10 cars. 9 cousins helped me. I gave them $10 each. That means I only earned $10. I'll never get a bike. Oh no.
I'll go take off Sam and do fine then. And then Tuesday, Lena's going to come across to
Gagawa lang tayo ng lunch ni Baby Celine, guys. Easy lang. Gagawa tayo ng sandwich.
And I told Darcy basically you can still continue
Lagyan natin itong chicken breast.
to show Darcy about
Tapos cheese, butter,
alternatively pick it yourself.
and then maghiwa tayo ng watermelon. So kanina, after ng ni Baby Celine, story time, umuwi kami tapos nakatulog siya sa sasakyan. So while she was sleeping, naglinis-linis ako sa garage, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog actually. Kasi medyo din dun, guys, very messy. Kaya, ayun. Anyways, medyo na siya, konti, nalinis-linisan ko siya. Tapos nagising si Baby Celine, umakyat na kami dito. Nag-daddy na yan siya, so I'm not sure kung kakainin pa niya to. So, as you can hear sa background natin, ang ating daddy Mike ay working from home today. Normally, pag Friday sa office yun siya, but umangkot siya. Sa bahay siya today. Which is good naman kasi yung friend namin na Korean, so nag-message siya sa akin kagabi, asking if we are available tonight for dinner kasi na-mention ko sa kanya last time na kapag Friday, hindi kami nagluto sa bahay. So, kumakain kami sa labas. So, sabi niya, may plano ba daw kami at pupunta daw sila ng Thai restaurant sa Bolimba. So, they want us to go with them. Kaya sabi ko, okay. So, Daddy Mike siya, yeah, okay. Kasi kagabi, hindi pa niya alam na mag-work siya sa bahay. So, sabi niya, punta na lang kayo doon before me kasi after ng work ni Daddy Mike, kailangan pa niyang diba, umuwi ng bahay. So, it might take a while. Doon na lang sana niya kami imimit. But, since nandito siya sa bahay ngayon, kasama na kami pupunta doon mamaya. Which is better. Better now. Honey girl. Uy! Nambak ko ng yogurt. Nag-grocery ako kahapon, guys. Alam niyo ba? Sobrang madami pa doon. Sobrang dami kong Mars kasi nag-half price sila. Ito sila, $2 to sila. Tapos nag-$1 lang sila. So, dinamihan ko na kasi ilalagay ko sana sa box. Magpapadala ako ng box ulit. Sobrang dami ng mga gamit sa garahe, guys. Yun yung nakakapag-messy doon sa garahe namin. Kasi pumili ako ng mga gamit dito sa loob ng bahay na hindi namin ginagamit na magagamit sa Pinas. So, ayun, sobrang dami. Ilang sako. Ilang sakong damit. So, tingnan ko this weekend kung makakapunta ako sa Filipina store para kumuha ng bayan box. Para ma-organize na. Sini, Miguel? What are you doing? Hoy! Nagkagubot ang buhok. Show me that, anak, babe. Wow, you have lots of money? Lanak, did you dungdung, nak? Parang may naaamoy yata ako, nak. Dito na kami sa school ni Ate Paris. Ang aga namin dito tinan yung book. Allah. Hi! Ang init kasi, guys. Kaya, ayan. Ang kanyang buhok parang... Ay, Lingling! What is that? What did you find? What did you find? A pencil. A pencil, Mama. We are 30 minutes early. Yes. Para may maparkingan si Mami. Oh. Oh, good. Oh, good. So we're just gonna wait here. Nakbang puta rin naman. Dirty. Ano? Dito kami kasi merong shade. Oh. Yung ano ni Ate Paris classroom niya, papasukin pa dyan. But it's currently 2:40 ata ngayon, so may 20 minutes pa na. Na tayo maghihintay. They're very smart. Ewan ko kung sino ang naglagay ng ano dyan. So yung sasakyan natin ay nandyan. Pero normally, dyan guys, dapat sana. Wala, nilagyan nila ng ganyan. Oh, yung mga red na ganyan ba? Hindi nila pa pinaparkingan. Interesting. Bago lang yan ah. Langling! Eh, sure ka cute sa buhok eh. Wala mag-iikog sa ering. Wala mag-iikog sa ering lang. Grabe, sobrang init guys. Uy. Got Ate Paris now, guys. Uuwi na kami. Wala, napakainit pa eh. Say hi, Nak. Yeah. Kumakain ng Oreo ba? Baka yung aming ipin dyan ay nag-itim-itim.
I want to try something. I'm totally in the camera. Your teeth there.
So it's currently 3:37 now, guys. Yes, anak.
I think she wants to show you. And she wants
Listen to them, guys. Ano po lang. Very noisy nila naman.
Hello, Violet, let's leave. Hello, Violet, let's leave.
Hello, Lingling. Hello, Lingling. So we don't need to go to do some grocery shopping today kasi nag-shopping kami kahapon. Nag-shopping kami ng mga kids kahapon. We don't need anything. And because magdi-dinner kami sa labas, so we're going to see William tonight, anak.
For dinner?
For dinner, yes.
Are we going to go to the ones with noodles and soup?
Yeah, well, we can have it as well, but we're going to a Thai restaurant.
I don't think I like Thai.
Huh? That's Irene. You know Irene is Thai? Yeah. Tagal ko na rin hindi nakakain ng Thai food, ha?
I don't like Thai food. I'm not Thai.
Miss ko yung samtam ba, yung green papaya salad.
I don't like Thai shop. I don't like Thai foods.
Don't say that, anak. You haven't even tried this yet. Actually, yeah, that's right. We'll go and we're gonna try their food tonight. Alam niyo ba guys, Paris has been a really good eater.
I like black nuts in rice.
Yes, I know you do.
Is that Thai food?
Nak, I'm just telling Tita and Tito that you've been really good with eating your food for the last week.
Because after holiday, we're going to do some new stuff at school. It's term 2.
Oh, come on.
What?
Come on, guys. Let me in. Kumakain na siya ng plain lang na. Ngayon, meron ng mga sauce. It's really good. Kaya nag-gain siya ng weight ngayon.
I ate some of my rice in my lunchbox. Nothing else.
Nothing else?
But I think nothing else.
So what did you eat for lunch?
I ate everything. I ate the rest of the stuff. I ate some of the grapes.
Okay.
I ate the rest, but I ate some.
Silly! Ni, bulingit lang nang nagka-Oreo ah. Oreo tomorrow. We're home. We are the champion, my friend. Woohoo!
We found the same actually.
Parking for more.
Parking for more.
Kuya Juan for more. Ikaw nakbe, Kuya Juan.
Is rice and like maz, are they Thai food?
Rice and what?
Rice and like black thing on it.
What black thing?
That black thing looks like nuts.
Rice and black thing.
Black nuts, I think.
Hmm.
That Thai food? I had it at the city
City?
where there's sushi. Where the sushi train is.
Oh, maybe that's Japanese, honey.
Okay.
Lilin! Ayun!
Hello.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
How's school ate?
Really good.
Really good. Okay, help Celine with her
Seatbelt.
seatbelt. Big girl na talaga yan. Oh. Okay, let's go. Whew.
Outside.
A few moments later.
Hala, come na. Kasi it's 6:20. 6:20 na guys. We are going out for dinner. So nakabihis na kaming lahat. Just putting certain shoes. Come on, this one? Shoes. Okay, shoes. Hoy. Hoy. So ito lang yung suot ni mami niya guys. Dress yan siya. Tapos, tawag dito, may pa-puff sleeve. Ay, she's up. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then, baby Celine's dress is this.
And I'm Paris.
Oh, have a look at the Paris. Can you see her? See? She's got a handbag too. Oh. Okay, let's go.
Where's my handbag?
Kaya nang damit ng ating Paris.
I need the ice.
What did you bring us back?
I left my yummy on the wall.
Oh.
So I handed the ice back
Okay.
from the
Open the door.
because Dad gave me an ice pack.
Okay.
Dad gave it to me.
It's gonna melt, you know that? Ang bait, Diyos ko.
No.
Alright, sweetie girl.
It's in a
That's
white.
Mama's plastic
It's
bag.
in a white. So it's not going to get messy
Okay.
because it's in a white.
Tingnan nyo guys, may pa-pearl pang nalalaman sa Paris. Show me your pearl necklace. Wow! Oh my princess! Ang dress natin Paris kasya na kay baby Celine. Come on, agay. We're here now guys. Kaka-park lang namin. Diyan kami nag-park. Yung Thai restaurant ay nandyan lang sa harapan. So, there's the fan. I'm not sure kung nandito na yung friends namin. 6:30 yung usapan. It's now 6:37. Si Tukbua, Thai Kitchen.
Fishing for us to use. Is it just made of?
I'll go to the kitchen now.
I actually had.
Does it really? Hi! We're waiting for them guys. Dito na kami. Nintay pa namin on their way. Ganda sila.
Another mountain.
You okay now? Oh my goodness, tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl, guys. Malayo na kami sa aming restaurant. Kumain na ang lahat. Si Mami and din dito, oh. She's flying up. She's very tired na kasi gusto na itong matulog ba? Ay, hindi matulog. Ano lang talaga, like, she's overtired na. So ngayon, ay si Mami nyo ay gutom na gutom na. hindi talaga kami makaupo doon sa loob, guys. Hindi pwede. Kasi ito siya ay ayan, oh.